Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Are you tired of food sticking to your pans, making cleanup a nightmare and ruining your culinary creations? Today, we're diving deep into the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set, a 3-piece collection promising to revolutionize your cooking experience. We've got the 8, 10.25, and 12-inch skillets here, and I've put them through their paces to see if they live up to the hype. Let's start with the build quality. These pans boast a hard anodized exterior and a forged design. This means they're built to last, offering superior durability and resistance to warping. The hard anodized aluminum is excellent for even heat distribution, which is crucial for consistent cooking results. You won't find those hot spots that burn your food in one area while leaving another undercooked. Now, the star of the show is the non-stick coating, specifically T-fal's titanium non-stick. The claim is that food slides off effortlessly, and after using these for a while, I can confirm that it's pretty impressive. From delicate eggs to seared steaks, the non-stick performance is strong. This makes cooking much more enjoyable, as you can focus on the flavors and textures without worrying about the dreaded sticking. And when it comes to cleanup, it's genuinely a breeze. A quick wash with soap and water, and most of the time, it looks like new. This 3-piece set offers a great range of sizes for everyday cooking needs. The 8-inch pan is perfect for single servings, like frying up a couple of eggs in the morning or making a small omelette. The 10.25-inch skillet is a versatile size, ideal for stir-fries, sautéing vegetables, or cooking burgers for a small family. And the generous 12-inch pan is your go-to for larger meals, like searing a couple of steaks, cooking fish fillets, or even making a batch of pancakes. A standout feature for me is the Thermo-Spot technology. This is T-fal's patented heat indicator. You'll notice a red circle in the center of the pan. When that circle turns a solid red, it means the pan has reached the optimal preheating temperature. This is a game changer, especially for beginners. Proper preheating is key to achieving perfect searing and preventing food from sticking in the first place. It takes the guesswork out of knowing when to add your ingredients, ensuring you get consistent, delicious results every single time. The design of these pans is also well thought out. The riveted silicone handles are comfortable to grip, even when the pan is hot, providing a secure and safe hold. They stay relatively cool on the stovetop, which is always a plus. The pans come with vented tempered glass lids. These lids are fantastic because they trap heat and moisture, allowing you to braise or steam food effectively. Plus, the tempered glass lets you keep an eye on your food without lifting the lid and losing all that precious heat. The overall construction feels robust and premium, built to withstand the demands of daily cooking. Now, let's talk about versatility. These T-fal pans are oven broiler safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven, or even broil some items directly in the pan. They are also suitable for all stovetops, except for induction. So, if you have a gas, electric, or ceramic cooktop, you're good to go. And as mentioned, they are dishwasher safe, adding another layer of convenience to your kitchen routine. T-fal also backs this set with a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. So, what are the pros and cons of this T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set? On the pro side, the non-stick performance is excellent and very durable, making cooking and cleanup incredibly easy. The hard anodized construction ensures longevity and even heating, preventing hot spots. The Thermo-Spot technology is a brilliant addition for perfect preheating. The set provides a versatile range of sizes for various cooking tasks. The comfortable silicone handles and vented glass lids enhance the overall cooking experience. They are oven and dishwasher safe, adding to their convenience. Now for some cons. The biggest limitation for many will be that these pans are not induction compatible. If you have an induction cooktop, you'll need to look elsewhere. While the non-stick is great, like all non-stick surfaces, it's still recommended to use silicone or wooden utensils to prolong its life. Also, the oven safety limit is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While sufficient for most everyday cooking, it might not be high enough for certain specialized baking or roasting tasks that require higher temperatures. In conclusion, the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set is a very compelling option for anyone looking for durable, high-performing nonstick cookware. It excels in everyday cooking tasks, offering fantastic non-stick capabilities, even heat distribution, and user-friendly features like the Thermo-Spot. The included sizes are practical, and the oven and dishwasher safety make them a convenient addition to any kitchen. The only significant drawback is the lack of induction compatibility. For most home cooks with non-induction stovetops, this set represents excellent value and will undoubtedly elevate your cooking experience. Link in the description.